Hey everybody, Troy, Roadside RC. Today with us, a Haiboxing Rampage. Now, this was actually a Amazon Prime Day steal. So this vehicle's normally, I think, in the $70 range, something like that. On Amazon Prime Day, when you clicked all the coupons, all the buttons, it's like $40-something shipped to your door, something like that. It was very, very cheap. We've actually have another Haiboxing. We have this 16th scale that we've had for a little while now and actually have really, really enjoyed. We've taken it to a skate park, we've run it around the front yard, it's done great. So when we saw this 18th scale, just a little bit smaller, we decided we were going to have to check it out. Something cool about this truck is it actually comes in 4 variants. So my guess here is it's actually the same chassis underneath, but you can get it in the sand rail, the monster truck like we did here today. It's called the Rampage. You can get it in the Hailstorm, and you can get it in the Gallop buggy. So it's kind of cool because if you did that, you would actually have probably some compatible parts between a variety of vehicles that you had. Here we are out of the box. It's actually a good looking little truck. It is definitely a little truck though. I am honestly surprised, having already owned this 16th scale from the exact same company. I was kind of skeptical actually. I kind of figured 16th scale and 18th scale, like cheap, easy manufacturing, that's probably just the same vehicle. I am very, very wrong. This 16th scale from them is definitely larger. It shows it in the tires, the body's bigger, overall longer, everything. So it is somewhat true to scale. I also expected that inside would be basically the same, and I was wrong. It is shrunk down. You can see that a lot of the design characteristics do transfer over. However, I will say, you see the center support rib, you see this gear cover, see some of the things on here that just look slightly more robust potentially than what's in here. Now, to be honest though, interesting, different receiver speed control, different controller. Again, I was kind of surprised by that. Servo looks like it also might be smaller, or at least a different servo than it was over here on this one, so that's interesting to note. The motor, I can't tell. Looks like this is actually a longer can motor than on this Rampage, so definitely a different vehicle completely. I'll be interested to see. The 16th scale was really good in the grass, really good just in a variety of conditions. I'm interested to see if this 18th scale matches that or not. Is it actually so small that it's actually hard to drive in the grass? We're going to give it a test. We'll find out. Just like its big brother, this 18th scale version from Haiboxing comes actually with 2 LiPo batteries, 850 milliamp 2S LiPo. The other one came with 1000, but pretty much the same. Comes with a sticker sheet so you can decorate the truck up however you want. And it comes with a light kit. We need to get this plastic off this body. Moment of truth. We have a battery charged up. Plug it in. Push the button. Oh, look at this. We have steering. We have throttle, we have reverse. All right, let's give this thing a run. Here we go, first drive. What do you think about that controller, James?
It looks like an alien head.
It looks like an alien head. How does it fit your hand?
Great.
All right, I've got to admit something. So the first little bit of running footage that I just showed you was of me and James, 7-year-old, running this truck, and it was kind of disappointing. We were like, why is this thing so dang slow? And then my 11-year-old, who really, really likes buttons, came out and noticed that on the controller there is a slow and a normal speed, and you want to guess which one we were on? Yeah, we were on the slow speed. So pump this thing up to normal speed, and all of a sudden, all the handling issues that we had and all the other things that we were complaining about completely and utterly disappeared. And just like that, dude, this thing all of a sudden it runs really, really well. So I'm very surprised, running in the grass and everything. So for 18 scale, that's pretty impressive, because the grass is pretty hard to normally run in for something that small. So again, hey, it's doing pretty good. Yes, I picked it up for $40 on Amazon Prime Day. Is it worth $40? It is worth $40 all day long. It is better than a Walmart 40 grade toy by far. You have proportional steering, you have better throttle. If you break something, you have parts. So if you're gonna go to Walmart and buy a $40 toy, buy this instead, all right? But if you're gonna do that, just spend the extra little bit of money and get this 16th scale instead. So we actually have some pretty fun videos of us even taking this to the skate park and stuff like that. So I'll link some of those videos over here. All right, final thoughts on this truck, the little Haiboxing Rampage. So honestly, it's a pretty fun truck for the dollars that you put into it. I really hope you picked one up. I sent a link out on Amazon Prime Day. I could get it, you could literally get it for like $40. Still, hey, it might be kind of fun. Maybe we'll take it to a skate park and thrash it. Maybe we'll give it away. I mean, let me know that down in the comments. Have you watched this far along? Are you interested? If I gave this away, would you want it? Let me know. We might just do something like that. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Come on over here, check out some other videos, and we will see you later. Goodbye.